Okay, we are going to start question number 6. Given that the integration of 1 over 2 exponential of 2x plus 1 over 4 exponential of negative x with respect to dx is equals to 5 when the limit from negative to a, where a is the positive constant, show that a is equals to half ln 10 plus half exponential of negative e plus half exponential of negative 4e. Okay, we need to solve the given integration, which is negative 2a to a, and the integration of half exponential of 2x plus 1 over 4 exponential of negative x with respect to dx equals to the 5. Okay, first we integrate, so half integration of exponential of 2x is exponential of 2x divided by 2 plus 1 over 4, and integration of negative x is equals to exponential of negative x divided by negative 1, and limit from negative 2e to a, and this one is equals to the 5. Further solving, we will have 1 over 4, and this one is equals to exponential of 2x minus exponential of negative x, and limit from negative 2a to a, and this one is equals to 5. 1 over 4, apply the upper limit, we will have exponential of 2x is equals to exponential of 2a minus exponential of negative x is exponential of negative e. This one is upper limit minus, now apply the lower limit, which is exponential of 2x means exponential of 2 times 2e, negative 2e, sorry, minus exponential of negative x means negative 2e, bracket close, and we will have equals to 5. 1 over 4 is equals to the exponential of 2a minus exponential of negative a minus exponential of negative 4a, and this one is equals to plus exponential of 2a, and this one is equals to 5. Exponential of 2a plus exponential of 2a minus exponential of negative a minus exponential of negative 4a equals to 20, and this one is equals to 2 exponential of 2a minus exponential of negative a minus exponential of negative 4a, which is equals to 20. Further solving, we will have 2 times exponential of 2a is equals to 20 plus exponential of negative a plus exponential of negative 4a. Exponential of 2a is equals to the 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2. Now taking natural logarithm both sides, we will have ln exponential of 2a is equals to ln 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2. And we know that ln e is equals to 1, so we can write it 2a is equals to ln 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2. A is equals to 1 over 2 ln 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2. So this is the required value of a. Now let's move to the part B, and show by calculation that value of a lies between 1 and 1 2. We have just proved that the a is equals to the half ln 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2. When we switch a on the right side, we will have 1 over 2 ln 10 plus negative exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2 minus a equal to 0. When we solve this equation, we will get value of a which will be in between 1 and 1.2. So first we call it f of a is equals to 1 half ln 10 plus exponential of negative a over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a over 2 minus a. We need to show that there is a sign change from f of 1 to f of 1.2. If there is a sign change, we can say that there will be some value of a in between them where the f of a is equal to 0. So first we plug a is equals to 1. So we will have f of 1 is equals to 1 over 2 ln 10 plus exponential of negative 1 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 over 2 minus 1, and this one is equals to the half ln 10. Exponential of negative 1 over 2 is equals to the 0.1839 plus exponential of negative 4 over 2 is equals to the 0.00915. then minus 1. Okay, further solving we will have 1 over 2 ln. When we add them we will have 10.1930 minus 1. Further solving we will have 1 over 2.32199 minus 1. Further solving we will have 1.1609 minus 1, 0.1609, which is the greater than 0. So we can say that f of 1 is equals to the 0.1609, which is positive value. Now, when we plug a is equals to 1.2, we will have f of 1.2, which is equals to half ln 10 plus exponential of negative a means negative 1.2 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a means exponential of negative 4.8 over 2 minus a means minus 1.2. Further solving we will have 1 over 2 ln 10 plus 0.1505 plus 0.004 minus 1.2. So we will have f of 1.2 is equals to 1.1589 minus 1.2, and this one is equals to negative 0.041062. So we can say that f of 1.2 is negative. Okay, we need to show that a lies in between 1 and 1.2, and we have proved that f of 1 is positive and f of 1.2 is negative. So this one is negative. So there should be some value of a for which we will have f of a is equal to 0. We can say that f of 1 is positive and f of 1.2 is negative. So there is a sign change. So we can say that a will be in between 1.2 to 1. Now use the iterative formula a of n plus 1 is equal to half ln 10 plus half exponential of negative a n plus half exponential of negative 4an. To find the value of a to the correct to 4 significant figure, give the result of each iteration to 6 significant figure. Okay, we already have a n plus 1 is equals to half ln 10 plus half exponential of negative a n plus half exponential of negative 4n. Okay, we can take a naught from 1 to 1.5, so we take it 1. Okay, let's start from n is equal to 0. Okay, so a n plus 1 will be a1 equals to half ln 10 plus half exponential of negative a n means exponential of negative a0 plus half exponential of negative 4a n means exponential of negative 4a0. So we will plug the value of a0 is 1. So we will have a1 is equal to half ln 10 plus exponential of negative 1 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4 over 2. Further solving we will have 1 over 2 ln 10 exponential of negative half over 2 is 0.1839 plus exponential of negative 4 over 2 is equals to 0.009 half ln 10.193057. So a1 is equals to the half ln 10.193057 is equals to the 2.321998. So we will have a1 is equals to the 1.16099964. Now we will plug this value of a1 to find the value of a2. So when n is equals to 1, we will have a n plus 1 means a2 equals to half ln 10 plus half exponential of negative a1 plus half exponential of negative 4 times a n means a1, and this one is equals to the half ln 10 plus exponential of negative a1. a1 in this case is 1.160 1.16099964 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4 a1 means 1.16099964 with divided by 2 this minute. A2 is equals to half ln 10 plus exponential of negative 1.160996 is equals to the 0.15674 plus exponential of negative 4 times 1.16099 divided by 2 is equals to 0.004826. Further solving, we will have half ln 10.16156. So 1 over 2 ln 10.16 is equals to the 2.318835. So this one is equals to 1.15941. Okay. So we have the A2. Now when we plug n is equals to 2, we will have a n plus 1 means 2 plus 1, which is A3 equals to half ln 10 plus exponential of negative an means exponential of negative A2 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4a2 over 2, and this one is equals to the half ln 10 plus exponential of negative a2 means exponential of negative 1.15941 over 2 plus exponential of negative 4 times 1.15941 over 2. 1 over 2 ln 10 plus exponential of negative 1.1594 over 2 is equals to the 0.156975 plus exponential of negative 4 times 1.15941 over 2 is equals to the 0.004854. When we add them, we will have 1 over 2 ln 10.161830. So we will have A3 is equals to half ln 10.161830 is equals to the 2.318873, and this one is equals to 1.1594369, which is A3. Now we need to find the value of A correct to 4 significant figures. So we know that A2 is equals to the 1.15941, and we have A3 which is equals to 1.15943, and we can see that these are 5 values which are same. So we can say that 4 significant values are A is equals to 1.159. This was required.